You wanna head back?
No, I gotta come back there. Are you recording?
Yeah. I'm trying to see them.
That's how you do it, guys.
That's how you do it.
As high.
Easy. Oh, massive shark. Holy crap.
Oh, oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh, dude.
oh, oh, we're going overboard, dude. Oh.
I gotta jump in, bro. Gotta grab it. That might be cookable.
Yeah.
Solid. This giant.
10-second catching streak. I don't know. Nice.
Yo, Roseland famers. We are cooking these bluegill. Show you guys how to cook them. So, right now they're in the freezer. So we're defrosting them. Got them in the water. You know. Alright, when you scale it, take the back side of this here knife, and you Alright, so we got it scaled. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now we're about to slice it and take all the guts out. So, now we got it. No guts in there. What do you have to say?
Gross.
About to do the same thing the other one.
You know what I mean?
So,
Like an oven rack? That
we
way.
have our
I know what you mean.
gutless fish,
That's what you can.
scaleless fish.
It would have to go over the whole.
Yeah, that, with that on there, and then
And
that would be good.
I'm going to show you guys how to cook these. Alright, so what we're going to get is, we're going to get our flour, we're going to get some milk, we're going to get some egg, and we're going to, yeah. Why is he saying, Jordan?
Looking for you. Where are you? Is that enough? Is that enough?
Oh, you caught a fish today. How big? This big?
You caught it.
Yeah. Not today, man. It's at Horseshoe Lake.
When you catch it?
Huh?
It was
Josh's Lake?
Sunday.
Josh's Lake.
Oh yeah, I took.
This is how my first one was.
Yeah, that one.
I actually liked it better.
Oh.
But it's nice.
Yeah, cook them both at once.
Cook 'em both.
Fires don't last forever, man. This isn't an oven. It's a real fire.
Honey butter in there.
Where'd my fish go? Where'd it go?
What'd you? Oh, I thought that was garbage.
The walk of shame.
I'm getting oil.
Wreck.
Rolling?
It's wrecking.
Alright. So we got our fish here. We're just, you know, doing that, I guess. Flipping it a few times, you know. We're about to put in the flour.
When you're 19. Whether it's
Now,
January.
we're going to take this, put in the flour. Bam!
Oh!
Whoops. And flipping it around. Then you get this spoon some on here. Just like that.
You would have to
Yep. Flouring it up.
As long as you do it before November.
Mmm, looks tasty. I could eat it right now.
Say that again?
Nope. So you take our fish over this huge fire. Do we got like a thing? Take this. Need a spatula flips the fish.
Now what do you say?
Mmm, looks tasty.
Flip it.
Dude, it's not ready yet, man. It's gotta cook. Okay, cut. Cut. I don't know.
Cut the fish.
Nope. Footage. That.
It's gonna be a disaster.
I would not eat it.
He leaves the fish unattended.
Got a canola oil.
Fish eyes? You gonna eat the fish eyes? Not a good idea, probably.
What? Why?
Because it'll go.
We need oil.
There's plenty of liquid in there. Grab a thing so you can turn that pan. Grab that pan.
Lydia is getting roped into this task now.
I don't even like fish.
The walk of shame.
That's not an oven mitt.
Same process.
That's the same.
Dad's already got it. He's got a glove.
In the
So
flour.
you gotta let him out twice today then.
No, I know. That's
Oh, the sizzle.
Need that. Alright, we're gonna flip this guy. Alright, we're gonna flip.
What are you doing?
We're gonna flip this guy right here. Oh, look at that. Cold and crispy. Looking tasty. You're buck-handed, man.
Fail.
Give me a lefty glove.
Fail. Boom. Fail. Tasty.
It's how. Alright, so we got all these scales and stuff on this here table. So what we're gonna do is.
You gotta put the fire out.
Alright, that's how you put the fire. You want me to put the fire out?
No, you let it go.
Let it go, man. Bad idea. Meanwhile, back at the grill, the fish is exploding.
Fishes are looking right.
Oh, not a good idea, Dad said, remember? With the oil? That was all oil, man.
That was butter.
You gotta get it on the spatula. The first key is to get it on the spatula. Then you can get it out of there. Man, you are struggling.
I'm coming from this side. Oh, it's too hot.
You might want to try angling it more downward. Get under it. There you go. There you go. About time. Oh, man. Smoke.
There you have it, guys. Look at those fish. Ready to eat.
Did you eat it?
Yep.
Tasty.
Tasty.
Alright. Are you going to eat it or what?
Oh no, that's better sauce.
Alright, let's eat this.
Chivetta sauce? I saw it right out on the counter.
Not there anymore, man. Disappeared.
Maybe there's none left. I was looking for chivetta sauce. For fish.
Oh, that's for the chicken.
That's for the chicken. Oh, there it is. Why are you eating dinner before dinner? Oh man.
That's good. That's funny. Now we gotta do the-
They actually turned out pretty well. They look pretty cool.
Cajun spice.
You ought to catch more fish and make them like this.
That's the goal. We're gonna start catching more fish.
Yeah. You might need to start using my salmon pole to catch the big ones.
Yeah.
The first bite. Nope. Oh, now he's got it. It's not even gonna. How it's gonna taste?
Hmm?
How's it gonna taste?
Great.
Tasty. That could be the name of your fish cooking company.
Batch.
Tasty. So you brought this all the way from Horseshoe Lake?
Yeah, man. Take this here top fin out, all the bones come out just like that.
Gonna eat it?
And then what you do is split it down the middle. With a fork.
Do you have to go inside one more time for this video? Oh, look at that.
That's your quality piece of meat right there. That's what you want. Very good.
Very good.
Very, very good. Probably the best fish I've ever eaten.
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 Eaten is not a word.
Very good. Want to try a bite? We got 2 pieces here.
This one? There's 3. So that's the
No,
bones.
nice bone.
This one here.
Sure, man.
You eat the skin?
Yep.
Most nutritious part.
Could have been cooked a little bit more, but it's
A little undercooked.
yep,
Not bad though.
not bad. Not bad. Cajun. Lettuce.
So you can take those bones out. Then all that is meat. Hey, here you go.
I do have a light. Oh, they're having a good
What do you think?
Is it good? Yeah, you like it?
no, it's okay. I've only been having chicken broth.
Pro chef over here, apparently.